Hi guys! Excited po ako for today's video. Yes! Kakawa po tayo ng pizza today. So, eto na nga po guys. Ready na po yung mga kakamitin namin. But first, let's warm up. First time ko po mag-pizza making. Kaya we need more energy. Come, let's sing and dance. Before anything else, kaya makinig na muna po tayo guys for instructions. Yes guys, we're almost ready. And sobrang excited na po ako. Say hi to the vlog, Tatay!
International brand. And then...
Hi guys! So today, gagawa sila Zoe ng pizza.
Yun po mga kids, so yung lang sa meeting program po nila, dito po kayo sa kabilang table.
Simulan natin guys on my next vlog. See you later!
Mwah!
Thank you for watching everyone!
Yeah!